Have you been wondering about the new developments that are coming to Greenville, South Carolina? In this video, I want to cover some of the most exciting updates that I've seen and share what our wonderful city is doing. Hi, I'm Whaley, your favorite Greenville realtor. Let's go ahead and start out with City Hall. City Hall has been a place that's really needed a revitalization for a while now. And the beautiful thing is the city also realized that, and they're going ahead and they're going to move forward with redoing and redesigning City Hall. City Hall is such an important place because it is really kind of that staple and that footprint that's really going to unify and unite the city. And currently City Hall just does not have the look and feel that we would want for what Greenville has really turned into, where it's become such a great place for people to visit and move to, and just a wonderful place to live. So we are really excited to see this redevelopment of City Hall. The next place I want to talk about is the Augusta Gateway Shopping Center. It's going to be on that intersection right there where Malden and Potomac Avenue are. This is going to be a great redevelopment project. There's going to be 6 standalone buildings. It's a little over 5 acres. It's going to be redeveloped. The concept behind it is going to be a park once, shop all day kind of concept. They haven't announced what stores will be there, and this plan has not gotten the full green light yet, but it's been highly talked about and debated, and it was in the Greenville 2040 plan because this is an area of town they know that they want to continue some development in, and this is an area they know they could really benefit from this concept and offering some more local retailers and shopping centers. The next concept that I want to talk about is the Adaptive Sports and Wellness Center that's going to be in Unity Park. Unity Park's been such an amazing development for our area. And it's great that they're doing so many wonderful things to really enhance what that park is really about and to really bring more people from the community that have a lot of different interests. This is also going to be great for those that are in wheelchairs and have some special needs to really be able to get out and be active and just live a really great lifestyle and take care of their own health and feel welcomed in the community. And the last thing I want to mention is that the city of Greenville is working on developing a skate park and a pump track. This will be a great place for the kids to get out into the community, and for those that want to do some skateboarding so they don't have to feel like they have to do it on the streets, they're going to have an actual area with ramps and half pipes and rails and all that stuff for kids to get out and really enjoy skateboarding and rollerblading in our area. There you have it, some really exciting developments that are happening here in Greenville. Which one is most exciting to you? Drop a comment down below.